Enjoy exclusive deals on selected modern lifestyle items from October 1st to October 31st. Folding tent heavy duty is perfect for this upcoming All Saints Day. Available in 2 sizes. Our umbrellas have more ribs and high-quality materials perfect for any weather. These 3 umbrellas is perfect for these days' unpredictable weather. Whether it rains or shine, you don't have to worry. Ours is the best in the market. Pair any of our umbrella to our umbrella stand, that will surely keep your umbrella in one place. If you'd like some comfy sits under your umbrella, we have those too. Foldable wagon for your essentials, or if you need to move some heavy stuff, make moving stuff from place to place more fun and less tiring. Plastic fence 4 designs, pick a choice. It's perfect for your garden and cemeteries this upcoming All Saints Day. Or maybe just for your home garden and backyard, it will surely make any place presentable. We also have foldable reclining chairs. It's proven to have a good benefit for health just by sitting or laying on it. Make your garden or any area more presentable with these time and energy-saving artificial grass mat. Or if you have a real grass and plants that need care, use our long-lasting garden tools. We're currently in rainy season, so it's time to buy a real deal long-lasting umbrella, wide but lightweight. Add an essential for this upcoming All Saints Day using this laundry high stool for comfort you can sit on. Don't miss the opportunity to grab great deals on selected modern lifestyle items from October 1st to October 31st, only available at Ace Hardware stores nationwide. Upgrade your lifestyle for less, hurry while stocks last. It would be the best choice to buy, the best in the market, modern lifestyle, available at all Ace Hardware stores nationwide.